Hello kids, welcome to Savita Fawade Academy. This is our advanced GK lecture and today we learn about otter animals. Do you know me? Otter animal saying. Water animals are also known as aquatic animals. Aquatic animals live in water and have feeders which help them adapt to the underwater life. Identify the name of the animals with the help of the pictures and hints. First one, this one water animal saying, I am the largest living reptile in the world. Who this one? Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Second one, this one animal saying, I spend most of my life in water. I have a strong shell on the upper part of my body. Who this one? Sea turtle. Tortoise we saying sea turtle. Seaturtle. Next, third one. I look like a fish, but I am an animal. I love playing with people. Who this one? Dolphin. 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 Next one. I have a good eyesight and a very strong sense of smell. Who this one? Shark. 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 Next, I have 8 limbs and my blood is blue. Who this one? Octopus. 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 Next, even though I am a fish, I don't have scales. I am a terrible swimmer, but I eat a lot. Who? Seahorse. 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 Kids, did you know an octopus is the only aquatic animal that has 3 hearts? How many hearts we have? Only one. But this one octopus have how many? 3 hearts. Kids, I hope this one lecture is very useful for increase your GK and your GK paper. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care yourself and your parents.